Hi guys, so the winters have started and time to take out the Ezee liquid detergent. So in this video, I'm going to show you its review. This 500 gram bottle has MRP of 110 and the shelf life is 36 months. Ezee has inbuilt conditioner also that leaves your woolen with a pleasant fragrance, and this can be used for bucket wash and machine wash. Its cap can be used for dosing purpose also. So here I am breaking its seal. It has a easy flow nozzle and liquid has a thick consistency comparing the other liquid detergent. It has a very refreshing smell. You can feel it when you wash the clothes. So for bucket wash, pour one cap in the bucket full of woolens and soak for 10 minutes, and it dissolves instantly in water. The moment you pour it and it's all dissolved, and it creates good lather. I didn't expect this much of lather from this. So I have this Ezee liquid ready. I'm not going to waste this, and this jacket is actually crying for wash. So I'm going to soak this in this. So just soak for 10 minutes, rinse and gently squeeze out all the excess water. Dry at room temperature, and you see the jacket. It's almost new, wrinkle free, and it has a very refreshing smell. You can feel it when you wear your clothes. And yes, I use it for my overcoat, jacket, sweater, sweatshirts, and yes, apart from your winter wear, you can use it for your regular clothes also. But Ezee provide mild cleaning. If you expect the harsh or the tough stains to go through the Ezee, that won't happen. So I would suggest you to use it for your winter wears, muffler, woolen jacket, cardigan, sweater. And the best thing about Ezee is the softness it imparts to the cloth is unmatched with any other product, and it is available in wide range of packaging option from 10 gram sachet to 2 kg bottle. For washing machine use also, fill this cap to the detergent section of your washing machine and let it run. So Ezee is easy. It keeps clothes soft and fragrant. So the problem I was looking for, nothing as such. It's just that it's not for your heavily soiled cloth. It provides mild cleaning, but you can bindas use this for your winter wears. Hope you find the video useful. Subscribe. Bye bye.